So I don't know if you've ever had that time when you were trying to fall asleep and you were kind of thinking of something and you come to and you're like, what was I thinking of? I know my brain was there. This is what we call a hoary stage. So it's kind of in between being awake and being asleep. And so what we do when people come in for naps is we detect that. We fit them with an EEG, we let them nap, we look at the brain waves, and we see them start to enter that stage of sleep. We give them an auditory cue.
Hey Bailey, can you tell me what's going through your mind right now?
I'm dreaming of a forest.
Okay, thank you. Just remember while you lay there and try to fall asleep to think of a tree.
So we give them that cue and then we watch them on the monitor again, wait for them to fall asleep. Again, all this detection's done during the EEG devices. When we see they're starting to dream or fall asleep, we wake them up. So we say, hey, could you tell us what you're thinking about? And we found that about 95% of the time they'll tell us, I'm dreaming of a tree or some type of dream incorporation.
Natural, so while you're wearing it, if you roll around, that's fine.
We do have good treatments for PTSD and insomnia, but a lot of the treatments that someone will get for trauma-related symptoms don't either focus on nightmares or they don't effectively reduce or get rid of the nightmares. My idea of how my research matters and what the impact it has is being able to reduce those nightmares in people. A lot of that foundational research that I've done has suggested that if we reduce those nightmares, we're also going to reduce the risk of things like suicide, substance abuse, and other psychopathologies.
All right, so as we talked about, I'm just going to place it under your ear.
A lot of people are affected by sleep, and that shows up in every aspect of your life, whether it's your mood, your thinking abilities, how you're performing on a day-to-day basis. So by improving that sleep aspect, helping to show people they can get the quality sleep that they once had before, will really help them have a better quality of life. From the perspective of being a subject, I think it's really interesting to be shown the power that you have within yourself to change traumatic cycles and thoughts that you're having that do affect our sleep. Walking on a path.
Okay, thank you.
I love dreaming. I don't know about you, but to me, one of the coolest experiences is waking up and being like, oh my God, that was a wild dream, and then telling someone of this dream. I think dreams can be a fundamental part of joy in life.
Okay, thank you. I'm gonna come in and wake you up.
However, again, these people that experience these chronic trauma-related nightmares, they don't get that joy. So they often don't sleep. They don't want to dream. They don't have that kind of same joy that I have from that experience. And so that's another big picture of my research, is saying like, hey, how do we bring this joy of dreaming back to individuals that might be experiencing things like trauma-related nightmares?